And Allah Jalla Jalaluhu says, and he who comes out from his home, emigrating towards Allah and Messenger, then death overtakes him, then his reward lies on Allah. Here, waqa'a means wajaba. It will become binding. Hazrat Haram, the daughter of Milhan, radiyallahu anha, says, one day the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam was sleeping by me in her house, then woke up smiling. I submitted, what made you laugh? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, some people out of my ummah were presented before me, who were sailing over this green sea, as kings are mounted on their thrones. She submitted, invoke Allah Jalla Jalaluhu to include me among them. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam prayed for her and again went to sleep. This time he sallallahu alaihi wasallam again observed what he observed earlier, and she submitted as before. And he sallallahu alaihi wasallam replied her as before. He submitted, invoke Allah Jalla Jalaluhu to include me among that group. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, you are among the first group. So she, along with her husband Hazrat Ubadah bin Samit radiyallahu anhu, set out to fight a holy war. When the Muslims for the first time undertook a sea voyage in the form of caravans, they disembarked in Syria. An animal was brought for her to ride on, and later she fell off the mount and died. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 2799 and 2800.